Li Bingbing is a Chinese actress and singer. She was born in Wuchang, Heilongjiang. She initially had no intention of becoming an actress and enrolled specifically in a high school for prospective school teachers. However, upon graduation, she discovered her interest in acting and was eventually persuaded by a friend to join the Shanghai Theatre Academy in 1993. In 2018, Lee starred with Jason Statham in The Meg, an American-Chinese shark film based on Steve Alten's 1997 novel Meg, a novel of deep terror. In 2015, she was cast in a 3D science fiction thriller Nest, a Chinese-Australian co-production that was finally released in January 2018. The same year, it was announced that Lee would play China's first female superhero in upcoming film Realma, written by Stan Lee. In 2013, Lee attended the 4th annual US-China Film Summit and received the East-West Talent Award. Hollywood magazine Variety also named her Asian Star of the Year. The following year, Lee featured in Transformers: Age of Extinction, the 4th installment of the film franchise. This helped solidify her success overseas. Li Bingbing's first time in an English language film is Winnie Wang's Snowflower and the Secret Fan, adapted from Lisa See's 2005 novel of the same title. The film premiered at the 2011 Cannes Film Festival. Lee started to gain recognition in Hollywood after starring in Resident Evil Retribution, playing Ada Wong. The same year, she was cast in action fantasy film 400 Boys, directed by British director Alastair Patton. In 2009, Lee won Best Actress at the 46th Golden Horse Film Awards for her performance in The Message about Japanese invaders in China who try to ferret out a spy among their Chinese collaborations. Lee then starred in Tsui Hark's 2010 action mystery film Detective D and The Mystery of the Phantom Flame. She played Sangwon Jinger, a fictional character based on Sangwon Wanner, a prestigious politician during the Tang Dynasty. She established her studio in the same year, co-starring and co-production the film 1911 with Jackie Chan, which was released in September 2011 to celebrate the 100th anniversary of the Shanghai Revolution. Lee was subsequently labeled as an action actress as the starred in a number of Oxy television series such as Taiji, Prodigy and 8 Heroes. Lee achieved a breakthrough with her performance in Feng Xiaogang's A World Without Thieves. She then starred in Diane Ng's romantic comedy film Waiting Alone, for which she received her first actress nomination at the Golden Rooster Awards. In 2001, Lee starred in the television series Young Justice Bao, which propelled her to become one of the most famous actresses in China.